Now the next is we will add some negative feedback. So let's put it in the list. Okay. Now we will add some negative feedback to it. In the negative feedback, we will add, just copy paste this format. If someone writes, "You're bad," then we will give some polite reply. I will try to improve. And we'll add one more negative feedback. "You are stupid." "Oh, really?" Or, "I am sorry." You can add any response. And finally, we will write a code to quit. So for example, if the user wants to close the conversation, then in case if the user writes "bye," then "it was nice talking to you." Okay. So these are the different responses which we have added to the bot. Now let's try and check it whether it's run or not properly. It's taking some time. Okay, let's restart this and then we'll try to run it again. Restart, and let me go through the code. Let me check if there is some error. I think it's good to go. I'll press the run button. Okay, I got EOL while scanning string literal. I will improve. Okay, I will improve. Yes, I need to improve. Run. Yes, it's running. Now let's check the other phrases which we have added recently. We will start with "wow" and "great." Wow. Thank you. Great. Thanks. See, it's working. We will add another one which is "you're bad." You're bad. I will try to improve. And we will try this phrase which is "sorry." So let's type "sorry." Now we will create a sentence by using "sorry." Okay, I am sorry. I am, instead of writing "I am sorry," I'll write "sorry, dear." It's okay. See why it's matching? Because we have added regular expression to it. So I have added this regular expression to it. That's why it's replying me. So let's try to remove this and run this code. So let's remove this regular expression and we'll try to run. Let's see what happens. Still it's giving response. It's okay.